I'm so excited. Oh, see this. Woo. See? Stick to your scalp. See here. You see it? Hello guys, welcome. Hope you guys are doing great. I am fine, as you can see. I'm so excited because I have been waiting for the day I will do this kind of hair tutorial. Okay, this kind of hair that you don't need to stress yourself, you don't need glue, you don't need gel. Okay, you just wear this wig and that is it. I've been looking forward to the day I will install this kind of wig, and today I announce to you this wig is glueless. When I say glueless, it is glueless. You don't need to glue it down. Today's wig I'll be installing is from Hairvivi. So the wig came in this cute box you see here. This is how it's packaged. I haven't opened it. I just want to open it with you guys. You see this cute box? You see, it's from Hairvivi. I like the color of this packaging. You guys know when it comes to packaging of hair, when it comes well packaged, I'm always in for it. Let's unbox it together. I'll first of all remove this from it. When we open, this is it. Okay, let me stand up so that I can show you guys well. So this is it. Okay, and this is the wig in here. There are some goodies in this pack you see here. So the wig is in here. Okay, I'm going to bring it out in a minute. Nothing more in the box. Ooh, I love this. You see, they kept them inside this. Let me see what's inside. Okay, hair clips, 2 hair clips and 1 edge brush. That's nice. Okay, now about the hair, let me bring the wig out. Wow, this is the wig in here. Ooh, this kind of brown, okay, gold and brown color. Coming, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. The joy of me not gluing this wig down is like Christmas, you understand? I'm just like a baby they bought Christmas clothes for, because I know that I'm not going to go through that stress of gluing this wig down, which means I will just snatch it on and that is it. I am good to go. I am so happy, and I'm so happy for you guys because you guys need to see this wig. This is what you need, right? This is what we need. So this is it. You see the color? Wow. Oh, see this? Woo! God! You see this? Wow, this is so beautiful. Let me smell it. This smells so good. This smells so good, believe me. And the quality of the hair is just wow. Wow. All right, let me stop talking. Okay, so this is the base. You see, it came bleached, and you can see, just look at the hairline. This is gorgeous. And the inside, you see, this is not like every other wig. That's the lace you see in other wigs. This one is the way they did this. Look at this, and it's stretchy, kind of stretchy. See, and the inside is so neat. Look at it. It came with detachable, adjustable strap. Look at it, with the name of the brand on it. You see, Vivi. hair. Then also there are some combs in here, okay, even at the back. This came already bleached and already pre-plucked. See the hairline. Guys, ooh, I'm so excited. You see this? This lace will melt in your skin. Look at the back of it. Look at the material they use. This is so soft. It's not like those material that will be inching you. You see this? It looks soft, just like velvet. Yeah. This is quality hair. Look at it. Look at the scalp. Look at the scalp. Look at the detail. That is to say, zero work needed. Zero work needed. Let me stop talking. Let's try this wig on. So I'm going to adjust the inbuilt adjustable strap. I'm going to put it here. Okay, and the other one, I'll put the other one here as well. So this is what I did. Okay guys, let me wear this wig and see. I will adjust this one as well. Okay, like this. I want it really tight. I want it so tight. So guys, see this? You don't see the difference between my scalp and the lace. Just look at this. You see? This really blends inside my skin. See this? Wow. Wow. Just look at, see this? Ooh. That is, you don't need to bleach the knots because it came already bleached. And also, you don't need to pluck it because it came already plucked, okay? So, and you see my skin. You don't see the difference between the lace and my skin. So I want to cut out the excess lace. Let's see. Okay. Let me try and cut the lace. I think this HD lace. Look at that. Look at this. I did not glue it down, okay? You don't see the difference between here that I have cut and this other side. You see this? See here? You don't even see the demarcation of the lace. You see how this, oh my gosh. Oh, this is wow. Okay, let's cut the other side. Let me remove the other side from here. is the lace? Where is the lace? Where is the lace? My gosh. Where is the lace? This is magic. This is magic. Okay. See, I've removed the lace from this side, but it's still remaining here. See here. See the lace here. See here. And look at here. Wow. I haven't seen this before. I haven't seen this before. Wow, this baffled me. So I'm not going to do baby hair. There's no point for that. So let me cut the other side. I'm going to take my hot comb. Just.
We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth.
See the color?
Yeah. High and low.
Let me put some cream.
Make it sing. Working on our body language. Working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to.
So zero work needed. Zero work. So guys, you saw it is glueless. Okay, it is glueless, and the quality of this hair is wow. See this?
So blue. Leaving me on the spot, so confused. Oh, baby.
See? See? It's glueless. You see this? Voila. See it? Okay. You place it down. You see? Voila. When you place it down, stick to your scalp. See here? You see it? Drop it. So guys, that is it for this hair review from Hairvivi. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, and I'll check if there's any discount code. You know, I'm going to drop it on the description box. This is just wow. Head to the description box in case if you are interested. Okay, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.